Morning, everybody. Thought I'd check on my little caterpillar friend Wolf and see what he's up to. He hasn't gone to the J pose yet, but he did leave me a present. Lots and lots of poop. So he was just going all around, eating, moving, and pooping. But other than that, he's doing fine. He's doing great. Still hasn't gone to the J pose yet, but considering where he was yesterday and where he is today, still moving around freely. And he's gonna get his breakfast on, but still doing good. I gotta get ready for work. I'll probably be back around 6 in the evening. We'll see how he's doing by then.